Hello everyone, this is Revati for Kat Scrappiness. Today I'm introducing a gorgeous background die. It's called Maelstrom Backdrop Die. Well, let me tell you a little about it. This background die is an A2 size cover die, so it's 4 1 quarter by 5.5 inch. It'll cover the entire front of your A2 size card. You see all those little envelopes on this die and the stitched edge? Well, it's a very sturdy metal die and it will be compatible with most of your die cutting machines. It will cut out all those little envelopes, giving you a beautiful and delicate die cut for your card fronts. Here's an example of how this cuts out. I used a 100-pound white cardstock to cut out the backdrop. You'll see here that it covers an entire A2 size card front. Well, you have lots of envelopes in different sizes, tilted in different directions, and it gives your card a very beautiful look. Another fun way to use this background die is by cutting the little envelopes and using them just as focal points on your card front, and well, you're also left with this gorgeous stitched A2 size frame. Here is an example of a card that I created using this die. I made a shaker card. Well, you will notice that I cut out a couple of those little envelopes to add along my little sentiment strip. You can use this background die a bunch of different ways using different colored cardstocks. Well, it would be perfect for so many occasions. All you have to do is add a word die or a sentiment strip and well, maybe embellish it with some little hearts or sequins and your card is done. It's so simple to make. For more information on this product and to purchase it, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.